Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Right, Keith's absolutely smashing his diet. So today we're going to be making a chicken lentil madras slow cooker recipe. It's going to be a dump and go. So come on over and have a look what we've got. Right, like I said, Keith's already got everything prepared for me. He's chopped everything up. So we've got 2 large onions. We've got a sweet baby red pepper, orange pepper and yellow peppers. Those are the ones that are used. We've got a tin of tomatoes. We've got 400 mils of chicken stock. We've got, I think they're red and green lentils. We're going to put we're going to put 4 tablespoons of Madras curry powder, some chilies, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion granules, some salt and pepper and some chicken breasts. I'm going to put the onions and baby peppers in, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, lentils, 400 mils of chicken stock. Like I said, this is a complete dump and go. Keith found this recipe online, so what I'll do for you is we'll also put all the ingredients that we used up for you so you can all have a look as well. We put our chicken in, chicken breasts I think I said. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of Madras powder in. So 1, oh, that's a bit too much. 2, 3, there's our Madras, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, some salt. I'm not using no oils or anything because it's not allowed and it's healthier and it's a high in protein recipe this is, and hopefully he'll have some in the week that he can have a munch on as well. So I'm going to be doing a couple of these this week for him. I like doing dump and goes, and what I'm going to do is sprinkle some chili flakes in. And then because I don't know how to work this slow cooker, I'm going to give it all a mix and I'm going to get Keith to make sure it's on the right setting because I haven't got a clue what setting it goes on. We can always add some more chili flakes halfway through if it's not spicy enough, because he likes things spicy, doesn't he? But that's the bowl of goodness we've got so far. So we're going to switch it on, leave it for, I think he said, about 4 hours, and let it all cook, and then you can have a taste later and see if anything else needs adding. Well, hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it's yum. So there we go, and I'll see you in a few hours. Right, it's been in 3.5 hours now. This is what it looks like. It smells quite nice actually. Keith says it smells delicious. Right, because we've still got a bit of water in, I'm gonna turn it off and we're going to put it on to boil. So I'm going to turn it off and then I press, if you can see, then I press this one and hopefully that will start boiling in a bit. So it's not far off now. We just want to get rid of some of this liquid. I think Keith says he's going to have some rice with it, so I'll bring you back in a bit when this has boiled down. But it looks good so far. It smells quite nice actually. Right, it's all nicely thickened up now. Keith's done himself some rice to go with it. He's weighed it out.
Yeah, we've got to weigh up that bad now, so I need 450 grams of that.
Do you want to do it? Because I'll end up putting loads in.
Ladle, go on.
Good ladle full.
Get a ladle.
Lots of nice, you want lots of nice chicken?
Yeah, because it's got to be split up, hasn't it? We're going to need another 3 mils out of that, so.
Oh dear, right.
Just put it in.
Put this in. Right, let's see what that is.
That's 200 and get a bit of juice, Bab.
Get a bit of juice. Yeah, I'm going to Let this cool down, split it up, and I'm going to put it in the freezer, hopefully, if there's enough left.
I think there's plenty there. That'll do me.
Week.
That'll do me, Bab. 252 grams. That'll do me.
You sure?
Yeah, there's loads there.
Yeah, but you can have a bit more.
No, that'll do.
Sure?
Yeah, that'll do. And that can be... Go on, I guess, just a touch more, just a touch. Some juice. That'll do, that bit there. Yeah, go on, pour that in.
So it takes
That'll do.
You haven't eaten.
That'll do.
74.
Oh, that'll do us.
Yeah, you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Right, I'm going to...
Because I made myself a fried bread because I can't have naans.
I'm going to just put the lid off on that and let it cool down. And then we're going to put it into pots and put it in the freezer for Keith to have in the week. So, now you've got to go and taste it.
Now I've got to taste it. My dinner. There we go. It looks alright, that does, Bab.
It smells quite
And it smells really nice, doesn't
It
it?
does smell nice.
Lentils. I didn't used to like lentils till I started this. So I'm going to get straight into it because it's 6 o'clock now. Should have had my dinner an hour ago.
Sorry.
We're only joking, sweetheart.
Yeah, well, it's like when it's me recording.
Yeah. Right, and here we go. Oh, that's got a kick.
Oh dear, they put too
No,
much
I
in.
mean good.
Oh, a good kick.
Good kick.
Not a nasty kick.
No, not a nasty kick.
I didn't want to over
It's not
spice it.
It's not over spicy, but I got a kick there.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? That, babe, is... Oh, look at that chicken just falling apart, look.
Nice.
That is delicious. I would probably add... some... It's missing a little something.
Is it?
Just a little something. I can't put my finger on it. What it's missing.
Something crunchy.
No, I want about flavour-wise.
Oh, flavour.
It's got the spice. It just needs...
So it needs tweaking a bit.
It just needs that bit more oomph in it.
Oh, you need some more oomph.
Like the oomph in it, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure what it would be.
There's a Madras in there. And chilli flakes.
No, all the flavours are there, but it just needs that. Maybe just a bit more Madras powder, but then I think I'm going to blow my brains out.
Yeah.
Because it'd be too hot.
Maybe
some all-purpose seasoning, whatever
Yeah.
it's called.
Could put some of that in it.
Something like that.
Yeah, you could do actually. You could put some of that in it. That would probably make it taste a bit better.
But it's delicious. It's not horrible. No means it's really nice. But you know, I mean, you've never had a Madras. If you have a Madras from the Indian, you get that extra
Yeah, I know what you mean.
bump in it. So that's all it needs, that little bit of a bump.
Yeah.
But anyway, yes.
So I'm going to put all the ingredients up on the video so you can see all the ingredients. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying this bag.
So we're going to freeze the rest and put it in the freezer, and Keith can have it through the week then.
Yeah, I can have
When
it
he
on a jacket spud or something,
Yeah,
can't
you
I, or
could do.
whatever.
Good idea, yeah. So, I'll turn you back round. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you all later. I'm sorry this video's been a bit chaotic, a bit all over the place, but my first one back for a few weeks, so I hope you all enjoy it. I know it's only a
I'm enjoying this.
I know it's only a dump and go, but I hope you all enjoy
It's
it.
getting better as I go back.
Is it? And give you a few more ideas on Keith's weight loss journey and what he eats and stuff. So I might do another one in the week. There's a couple more for me to do. I might do another one in the week. So until then, I will see you all later. Bye.
Sweetheart, absolutely delicious. I recommend it that. I want to make it work very nice, Bab. Gorgeous that was.